Dollar sign. Na, 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 na.
Alright guys, so it's been like a day or two. It's been a couple days since I got the Spyder headlights on, and let me leave those on real quick. They are so nice, man. I am so satisfied with how they look. Just look at that in combination with the fog lights, and if you get closer it'll focus. Yeah, just look at how that looks, man. That looks so freaking nice. I've already noticed a lot of people turning their heads like when I drive with this on. Honestly, I leave the little blue part on like when I'm driving throughout the day. So it's the same exact thing as doing it on the R18. It's just now it's going to be in first person because I have a GoPro now, so I feel like it's even more helpful now. If you were to watch those two videos back to back or something, you're pretty much going to know what to do right away. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it helps you out.
I worked with my brother on Tuesday. Wait, no, actually. It was Sunday.
Okay. Okay.
Ooh.
Got it. Yeah, cause like I don't want it to break. It just sits in there, huh? So I'm guessing just like however it sits, it just sits, right? Just stays there.
I think so. Cause I think that's what the lock is for. I think the lock helps to keep it in place, you know?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's in. Okay.
I think that's it.
There. Forgot about that. Everything looks good. Alright, start off with the push pins. Should be the same as the LX. First thing, we take this off, then we took this off, this off, this off, this off, another 10 over here, and right here as well. So all these are all push pins. Either use a flathead or this tool right here. You just push up to the middle. Once you get that out, you just come right out. To put it back on, just like this, out, and you should just push back in.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, that one's rusty looking, bro. Look at that shit. That shit flung out.
Here and over here somewhere.
Alright, can I see you?
Yeah.
Okay, bet.
Oh,
Knock the fuck out.
knock the fuck out of my back, bro. The back doesn't hurt though, because I took Monday off, and then they still took fucking UPT, bro. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
And I
Do you see it or no?
I don't know, but I found this.
What's that?
It was stuck in here.
The hell is that? It's like a metal?
It's a bit.
You ready? Well, I don't know, actually. It's not coming out. Hold on. It's a screwdriver. Okay, we need a screwdriver.
First, but there's a little plastic screw in there.
Oh, it came out? Alright. Oh, it's the fog lights. The fog lights.
Kid, you have like a clip right there. I can't even do it. Wait, do you have to take out the crossbar? It looks like it's...
Maybe not. I mean, we'll see.
Just check the other one. You wanna have an idea. Aquí. Aquí está uno. Dos.
So sí va, porque abajo. It grabs like under here.
Yeah.
Porque... No, pero aquí tenía tornillos y hasta está bloqueado.
No. I believe Ya, pero este nomás debería salir así nomás.
¿Más se quita? Oh, okay. Oh.
Like here. Porque el tornillo lo
So you're gonna take this off?
Yeah, so it's through here. You see?
Hold on, I'm gonna record.
It's 12s. It's 12s then. It's not 16s. Alright.
On both sides, and then when you take it off, we gotta take out the crash bar.
Out here watching my own video, trying to remember everything. And then after the crash bar, there's gonna be one more.
So after we take all these out, remember
You gotta pull it up on that side. Okay, yeah, you got it. Okay, yeah, the sensor's right there. You see it? The fucking leaf too. Yeah, just pull it out. Let me try it. I have a better grip up. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna move. Okay, cool.
I wanna make sure. So you
What's
sure?
it holding on right now?
My leg.
You gonna hold it like that?
If you want me to.
Please. It's like deep in there. It's like along the this one, deep in there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's like that one. Right there. All right, yeah, maybe one of this one. Yeah, it's a 10. Okay, cool. 10.
Oh, it don't look like it, but
I did it on the LX already. Yeah.
that's stupid though. Why the hell are they gonna
Do all this.
do all that, man?
Yeah.
On the Lancer, it's easier, dude. It's just two bolts up here and then one connects back there.
Yeah.
Easy.
I wish it was like that over here.
Instead of doing all this crap, the damn crash bar.
That's what everyone said when they like installed headlights on YouTube. They all said the same thing.
It's stupid, huh?
Yeah. Let's take it.
You have to remove that top.
Aquí está. There it is. All right.
I don't think so either. Wait, are you sure you were
Yeah.
Déjale, vamos a quitar este porque está atorado ahí.
All right. Whew. Oh yeah, the pink ones.
On the bottom, and that's it. This guy don't have to be right there. You have to improve. Probably use whatever you have around. Make it easy.
Yeah. You have to improvise.
Improvise. Estas fregaderas. Si está with that bullshit,
Ni modo.
no va a valer madre. Esto trata de que quede por ahí a la mano donde se le pueda llegar bien.
Okay. Tengo que ponerle el black thing. The TSX. El black thing. Under the OEM one. Oh. Yeah, the old one, yeah.
The metals.
Yeah, that metal thing.
Oh, this thing.
Yeah.
Can I see the 10?
Right there. Whew.
That's a stupid design. Oh, ahí. En ese, ve. Right there. Ahí está. Ahí. Ponle el bolso aquí, cabrón.
Like that, yeah.
Así, ¿no? Ay, qué ayudante, man.
Does it hold it like that?
Fuck, pero está medio cabrón para meterle este, güey. ¿Cómo lo sacaste? First place. El otro nomás lo sacaste así.
Uh-huh.
Ahí está.
You have the keys? Oh, you're on, bro.
Yeah,
All right.
the keys.
Oh, that's so clean.
This is the car battery.
Hold on. So, yeah, I'm gonna pass to you. You get that one, right? All right, here. Aftermarket. talk. Go.
This, you do this, that way the sucker gonna hold it. And then
Oh my god, bro. What?
that way the ball gonna be tight right there.
That's crazy.
That's it.
Gotta put the bumper back on and the crash bar and then the bumper on, and that's it. It went tight?
Yeah.
On the final push pins. Oh, the Allen key.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, Allen key.
It should be in the trash can.
Yeah, I got him. We gotta get it from the red box again. It was a size 5?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, sir. That is sexy right there.
Not working, but...
Oof. Yes. We brought the spiders back.
What you say?
The spiders.
Turn them on again. Yeah.
Ah, yeah. You hold the GoPro real quick? I'm gonna turn it on and everything.
Little fog. Hopefully I'll walk around in the car.
Worth it, though. Oh my god, it looks so sexy. Can't wait till we lower it, make it faster. I might add a little thing on the wing, you know? Like once I make it faster,
Yeah.
like the little, you know what I'm talking about, right? The thing that goes over the wing.
Oh, like a little mini ducktail, right?
Yeah, like on the wing, bro. Like this. It just kind of like goes on top like this.
Yeah.
But for that, I feel like I want to get tuned first, you know? I want to back it up with some power.